In the bustling city of Harmonyville, a jovial baker named Mr. Thompson owned a peculiar bakery. His specialty: gigantic, colorful macarons. One day, a shy tourist named Lily strolled in, intrigued by the sugary aroma. Timidly, she asked for a raspberry macaron. Mr. Thompson, with a twinkle in his eye, handed her the treat. As Lily bit into the delicate shell, a burst of flavor danced on her tongue. She exclaimed, "Magnificent!" Mr. Thompson beamed. "I'm delighted you enjoy it." From that day, Lily frequented the bakery, mastering her pronunciation while savoring the delightful macarons of Harmonyville.